we're told to find the sum of two solutions of these equations. So for each equation, we're going to be solving it. And then we take those solutions and we add them together. We find the sum. Let's do equation number 1 first. If I have 8y equals 20, let's think about what that means. That means 8 times some number is 20. What's the number? Well, in order to get y by itself, we have to undo this multiplication. And the way you do that is with the inverse operation, division. So 8 over 8, that's just nothing. They cross out, right? We get y equals 20 over 8, or in other words, 10 over 4 if you simplify it, which simplifies a little more to 5 over 2. Great. Next one. So we've got, in this equation, 2x plus 4 equals 10. Well, the inverse operation of that addition right there is subtraction. I need to do that first before I deal with the division. Well, you don't need to, but it's easier this way. So I've got 2x on one side and 6 on the other. And the goal is to get x by itself. I generally start as far away from x as I can and then work my way towards x. All I need to do at this point is just divide x by 2. That'll undo the multiplication there. And I get x equals 3. So here's my two solutions. X equals 3 and y equals 5 halves. Last step is you just add them together, right? We're going to say y plus x equals 5 halves plus 3. Well, that requires some knowledge of fractions. And remember common denominators? 3 times 2 over 2. Right? We're going to do common denominators here, and that becomes 5 halves plus 6 halves. Now that they have the same denominator, I can add these things together, and I get 11 halves. Great, except that's not on our list. So the reason that's not something you see on the left is because those are all mixed numbers. We want to know which one of those numbers is actually 11 over 2. If you plug 11 over 2 into your calculator, you're going to get 5.5, right? Well, which one is that? That's 5.5.